My name's Torino Mike. This is my 1970 Ford Torino. It has a 347 in it. It's got a tunnel ram with two 650 Hollies. It's got aluminum heads, scat crank, thumper cam. She runs about 640 horse. I got this about 8 years ago, and it was a mess when I bought it. It's all gray primer, no interior. So me and my friend, we've done all the work on it, and he's real good at it. I've got a C4 tranny in it. It's got a kit in it. 9-inch Ford rear end. I had a guy from California do the interior in it, and we did the lace on it. I wanted to go old school with it, so we put lace on the top, the hood, the back. Got a spoiler for it. I got hideaway headlights. They work. I also got 71 GT taillights. I can crank these headlights on so you can see them. I think they're pretty cool. Came with the car, but it was all vacuum. I took all the vacuum out of it. But they work, so. Then I've got 71 GT taillights. I'll just put those in and walk around and check them out in the back. Before, I just had a taillight on each side, and there was a piece in the middle, but these go all the way across and they do all light up. So it's got 3-inch exhaust. I also got electric cutouts on it. I can start that up for you. It's about, I keep her clean. Gets a speck of dust, I'm cleaning it. But when I had it running before, it was just running on the exhaust itself. When I want to race. I put the gauges in the dash. They used to be underneath. Oh, I put those in the dash. I thought they looked better. It's still in good shape. I've had people ask me, would you sell it? And I have that one answer, no. My son would kill me. That's about all I can think of.
How about the wheels?
The wheels I got from Discount Tire. They're American rims. I'm not sure how wide they are. I can't get down to see them. But they grab really good. It's forest green with a silver top. But the silver has Dodge green. As you can see the stripe here, that's in this color here. Plus the dark green is mixed in with this. So sometimes turns colors. Yeah. But, I get a lot of compliments on it. If you have any questions, throw something at me on YouTube or whatever. There you can see it. Yeah. Her name is Maybelline. I've had that wrote on the back. I always liked that song Maybelline, so I just had that put on there. That's about all I can say about it.
Well, it's a bunch. You know your car.
Yeah, she's pretty. I've got a couple trophies with it.